Okay, this video will discuss a few problems from 1.2G planes. Let's start with this matching section. Let's take a look at problem number 4. It wants us to figure out which choice, either A, B, C, or D, plane DEF describes. Well, because it's asking about a plane, we can kind of narrow this down to between A and B. Those are the only ones that deal with planes. And to name a plane, you need to choose at least 3 letters on that plane. In selection A, we see A, B, and C. D, E, and F is not listed there. In selection B, we see points D, E, and F. So answer 4 can only be B. Let's take a look at 9. In 1.1G, we talked about line AB. In 1.2G, this question right here is asking something different. That little symbol above the AB has no arrows on it. So that means we're talking about a segment. It's not a continuous line, it's just part of a line. That's what choice A is describing. So it's a line segment between points A and B. It doesn't continue through either point, it just ends at those points. So letter C is the answer for number 9. Moving on to the next section, name a point that is coplanar with the given points. We'll take a look at the diagram to the right. Coplanar means that this point lies on the same plane as the given points. Let's take a look then at 14. 14 wants us to name a point that is coplanar with A, B, and H. If we kind of draw that plane here, A, B, and H is this side plane. A, B, and H are 3 corners of that plane. The other corner, it looks like, is point E. So the answer for 14 is E. Now, next section. Name all the points that are not coplanar with the given points. So points that are not on the same plane as the given points. Let's take a look maybe at 21. Let's take a look at 21. So P, Q, and N, P, Q, and N is describing this very front plane. M is the other corner of that plane. So P, Q, N, and M are all coplanar, which means that the other 4 points are the ones that are not coplanar. So since P, Q, N, and M are coplanar, that means that S, R, K, and L are not coplanar with the given points. So that's all for the examples for 1.2G. I hope this helps.